time, very wet now, and we are going to slowly go back to a drier period. Cool. So I know a lot of people will be firing up the lawnmowers over the next couple of days if you haven't already, and you're going to have opportunities to mow with some drier conditions heading our way. We're 81 Knoxville, Maryville right now, 82 in Dandridge, but the biggest thing is it's still very humid. The pink showing up, that's a tropical feel. That's the kind of literal air you can wear feel when you step out the door, right? But we don't have a lot of shower and thunderstorm activity, which has been good for outdoor plants in McLeod Mountain and Campbell County. Looking southward, you see a few clouds on the horizon there, but not much to it. That's actually what we're looking at, is the shower from way up there in Campbell County all the way down back towards the mountains there. Blount County making its way over into Swain County, North Carolina, but that's about the only thing I'm watching at this time. Now the cold front is still well to our north above our banner there on the radar. That comes through later tonight, but there's just not going to be a lot of things to drive the showers and storms overnight other than the front moving through. So if we take a look at 6 predictor from now through the overnight hours, yes, there may be a random shower or two, but the opportunities are very limited. You can almost see that front sliding into the Gatlinburg mountain areas as we get closer to early tomorrow morning, and that's kind of where it's going to park itself through the day on Thursday. So upper 60s, some patchy fog starting out first thing tomorrow morning. Otherwise, if we see a heavy rain threat, it is going to be further south. So there's a low risk of some flash flooding in a few spots south tomorrow where that boundary is going to set up. And 6 predictor kind of shows that as we go through the day. Very limited coverage, spotty like we saw for today. This is lunchtime in the afternoon, and you can almost tell where, again, the better chance of rain is going to be further to the south. Now, I'm going to be pretty confident that it's going to be comfortable across our Kentucky counties by later tomorrow evening. Again, the boundaries a little further to the south, the drier air starts to come in, so you're going to feel a little bit of a difference in that humidity across our Tennessee, Kentucky, Virginia counties as we go later tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. But eventually that boundary drifts back northward later Friday into Friday night. In fact, rain becoming a little more widespread across a majority of the area as we go into early Saturday. I don't think it's an all-day Saturday rain. It looks a little drier through the afternoon and evening, and limited rain chances by the time we get to Sunday. You kind of see that here on the Comfort Cast. Again, we're staying in that tropical to sticky feel over the next couple of days, and then after Sunday, we really see it start to drop off, and that's when the drier air is going to start to move back into the area, and it's going to be pretty comfortable late weekend into the first part of next week, and you're really going to notice it in the morning hours. So there will be some scattered showers, a few rumbles of thunder early on Saturday. It's not an all-day rain, and most will stay dry, and you'll notice that comfortability, if that's a word, you'll notice it's more comfortable as we go through the day on Sunday. In fact, morning temperatures, that's where it really tells the difference. Instead of upper 60s to near 70 like we'll see tomorrow morning, notice the steady downward trend. We're talking near 60, if not upper 50s, and that's what we're really going to be seeing as we head through the middle part of next week. And even in the afternoon, daytime highs staying a little below average in the upper 70s with sunshine and low humidity. That's going to be a nice feel compared to where it has been.